What's up guys, this is Sergi and Drum Fans channel. Today I will quickly review some basic first lesson which I learned watching both English and Russian drum schools. So, turn on your metronomes. Always play with the metronome. Always.
But there will be no Christmas this year.
We have a loop of 4 strokes. So, we have a 4 stroke on a hi-hat. Something like this. And with the first hi-hat stroke, we should play
Bass drum kick.
like this. Lastly, we're playing snare drum on the third hi-hat stroke. So all together it should sound something like this. You can modify it by adding some additional hits, so it can sound something like this. It is a good beat. It is a good fundamental beginning which you can modify it something more heavy. So practice and feel free to comment on what you will get. Oh, by the way, you are more than welcome to post your videos on our Facebook public.
Come on, do it.
Peace, I'm out.